Hello everybody, my name is Dylan here at Hawkinson Nissan. I wanted to bring out our beautiful 2020 Nissan Sentra in the metallic blue. This Sentra in particular is an SV trim level, so it does come standard with halogen LED light bulbs, as long as with the 4-cylinder 2.0 double overheaded cam in the engine bay. Nice little bit of gas savage. You get about 32 on the city for gas mileage and about a little bit 34 to 36 on the highway. You also have the heated external outside mirrors, so in the wintertime when it gets frosty and cold, you don't got to worry about having to scrape all the ice off. Come back around to the trunk, and you will be able to see that even though the Sentra has a stylish and sporty look, there's also more than enough room for cargo storage. So if you did have groceries or other sorts of things like that, no problem at all. And the seats do also go down, so you have even more as it extends into the interior cabin. Come back over onto the passenger side, and I would like to show you the interior a little bit. Invite you inside to our beautiful Sentra. You can see that beautiful tan leather with the black accents. Matches perfectly with the exterior metallic blue. I'm gonna hop on in so I can show you a couple more of the key features. Do have the touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. More storage compartments here in the center console, goes pretty deep. Same thing, leather accents. Tan goes all the way throughout the interior of the car into the back seat, and you also have some cup holders and plenty of leg room for any passengers that you might have. And this car is just really hot. It's just beautiful. And once again, I've been Dylan Klein here at Hawkinson Nissan. You can check this car out on our website at hawkinsonnissan.com. It's on sale currently, and it is a very hot vehicle.